Hello, MRH. As some of you have started to run the account balance report, you've asked that it become a little more printer friendly. I've gone ahead and made those changes to the report, and I'd like to show you how to do that now. Once you've logged into Alio Intelligence, you'll want to come up to the Documents tab here. Then you'll be presented with this Public Folders folder. Double-click that, and then double-click MRH, then MRH Custom, and then Budget Reports. The report that we'll focus on today is the Account Balance Report version 19.2. Here's a little fact. The version number on the report actually means something. So the 19 indicates the fiscal year, so we are currently in fiscal year 19, and then after the dot is indicates the version that we're on. So this is the second version of the report since I made changes from the first version. So this is the Account Balance Report version 19.2. So go ahead and double click that and the report will open. You'll remember that it will refresh itself when it does open, and you'll notice a couple of changes once it runs. Up here at the top, I've indicated the account year, so this is fiscal year 19. Then the last run date, so today is March the 5th. And then the last run time, down to the second. So I've run this report at 11:31 and 40 seconds. That way you always know that you're looking at current data. Or if you do by chance print this out and it's lying around on the desk, you'll see when the data was good, because as we know, things change quickly. So once you enter a requisition, these numbers would be different. Okay, another thing here over on the sidebar, you'll remember that these things over here mean something as well. If you click on this third one, that brings us to our report input control. So if you're one of those people like buildings and grounds or curriculum that manage a lot of different accounts, you may want to limit the number of accounts that you're looking at to a specific department. So for this demonstration, I'm using the technology department. If I wanted to, I could simply grab a different department. You'll only see the departments that you have access to. So if I wanted to come down here and check out just the copiers, then I see the copiers. But let's focus on the technology department for now. All right, so the purpose of this report is to show you how to print. So here's how you do it. The best way is to come over here to the export button. Now while I'm here, I'll show you that you can also export to a spreadsheet if you like. But now we'll just do the PDF. So toggle the file type to PDF and click OK. Then you'll be presented with this. I always like Open With, because that opens it and downloads it all in one step instead of saving it and then you have to go find it and then you have to open it. The Open With just takes you right to it. So let's say OK. And I'll drag this into the screen capture view here. So here it is. It'll open up in preview. If you come over here to this little icon in the upper left-hand corner, you can turn on thumbnails, and if it happens to be a multi-page report, you'll see all those various pages lined up here. So at this point, you can go ahead and print this off and mark it up, or just look at it on your screen here. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and run this report as often as you can and keep your balances up to date. Thanks a lot.